The Google Chrome browser on your Android doesn't offer any extension, and it never will. But as an alternative, you can try Chrome flags. These are a bunch of experimental features that Google is working on. While most of them are focused towards the developer, some of them are useful for general user like you and me. So let's check them out, shall we? When you're trying to upload photos to a site like Twitter or Facebook, you see a pop-up that will ask you to browse and upload pictures. The default one is not only cluttered, but it also takes several steps before I can pick a photo. But the good news is, once you enable the photo picker flag, it will change the UI, making it a lot easier and faster. And that's how it looks after you have enabled the photo picker flag. Instead of showing a list or a pop-up, you will now see a tile format. This makes it a lot easier to select pictures. Go try it. A lot of shady sites use third-party redirects, which can lead to unknown websites and malware. In order to protect users and restrict websites, Google is now working on this new Chrome flag. Though it's not exactly what you're thinking, the flag doesn't stop redirects. For example, before TechWiser was rebranded, it was called receivetips6.com. Now, whenever you click on this URL, it will redirect you to TechWiser, meaning you have clicked on a link and that link has changed now. However, this should block all the ads that are redirecting the user to a different page after they open the first page and waited for some time. You know when you click on a link that opens more than one tab, so no more of that. The video player that comes pre-installed inside the Chrome isn't cool and doesn't offer much feature apart from the basic playback option. For example, say I'm watching a video on Facebook, then there is no way I can pause the video by double tapping on it. You cannot fast forward or rewind by double tapping on left and right side as well. It works on the YouTube app for Android, why not here? But if you enable the modern media control flag, then you will see a complete different UI for a video player. The user interface is not only minimal, but the best part is you can also go 10 seconds forward or backward just by double tapping on the video. How cool is that? Whenever you are downloading files on your PC, you have a complete control on the location of a saved file. The same is not true for Android though. The files are downloaded to a different download folder no matter if you like it or not. But here's how you can fix it. Simply toggle on the switch that will force Chrome to ask you whenever you want to save a file every time. This is useful if you're frequently finding yourself downloading different formats like images, documents, etc. and want some sanity in that process. By default, Chrome doesn't support night mode, which is something even the less popular browsers are doing, but there is a way to get it. When you enable reader mode flag, Chrome will show a small notification at the bottom of the screen, asking you if you would like to see the simplified view. Something like this, and when you tap on it, you will see a bare minimum version of the site which will load faster with all the formatting removed. After you have enabled it, you can go to the appearance in the settings and then choose night mode and change the font type and size as well. This is a nice feature to have if you have a habit of reading articles at night. So these were some of the Chrome flags that we use every day. And yes, for all those who are going to comment about the missing Google Chrome home flag after the recent Chrome 66 update, well, there's nothing you can do about it. The only way to get it back is by installing Chrome 65 from the APK and then stop the automatic updates from the Play Store. Though this will compromise your security. As much as I love this feature, I'm not going to take the risk with security. But anyways, I will have the link to that in the description below. So if you want to try it, feel free to do that. That being said, this is Pranav signing off. Let me know which is your favorite Chrome flag in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next one.